Hi, selamat petang, good evening, Form 4 students. Okay, apa kabar? How are you all? Welcome to today's live class. Okay, teacher is happy to see all of you. Okay, 1 minute. Hi, Kirtana. Okay, good evening. So, okay, the screen, I think everything is clear. Hi, Hui. Alright. Okay, so far I think all is clear. Screen can see. Voice also can hear. Okay, just want to check first sebelum kita start. Okay, so hari ni, okay, welcome to students who are new. If it's your first time joining teachers live class, baru hari ni first time joining live class, okay, selamat datang. Hari ini kita akan sambung dengan vektor. Madam, saya dah trial. Oh, how was trial? Macam mana trial? Okay tak? Boleh jawab tak? Especially kertas 2. Selalunya kertas 2 kan yang lebih banyak markah, right? It's more, you have more marks for paper 2. Macam mana? Kertas 2 boleh? Overall macam mana? Okay. Okay, so for those of you yang hari ni macam first time, you are the first time like joining live class, okay, always remember teacher punya nota ada dekat description link. I have the notes in the description link. You just download, then you can print it out. Okay, make sure you have like a book for our live classes ataupun okay, you have like a A4 paper notes. Okay, sebab apa yang teacher buat, whatever teacher is doing, student pun perlu buat bersama-sama. Because teacher don't want you to just watch only. I want you to do together. Admin belum lagi. Esok BI, tadi BM. Oh, okay. So, yeah. Banyak student, like few student I think here sudah habis trial. Tapi ada yang belum lagi kan? Okay, it's okay. Alright, so make sure asah basic, okay, your basic, make sure you this one. And then you punya kemahiran untuk jawab certain bab tu perlu ditingkatkan lagi. Teacher nanti campur bias sebab saya bukan pelajar DLP, madam. Oh, you fully belajar dalam bahasa Okay. Boleh. Sebab because this entire class memang teacher buat untuk student yang belajar BM and student yang belajar English. So teacher is doing like both. I'm doing 2 languages, English and bahasa, so that semua orang pun dapat benefit dia. Okay. Boleh Okay, hari ni actually teacher sambung. I'm going to continue. Which part was it? Okay, for all of you yang kelas YouTube ni, teacher sepatutnya sambung this part. Okay, last class kita stop dekat sini, correct? Last class we stop here. Okay, so siapa yang start hari ni, okay, you make sure yang last week punya kelas you tengok juga, right? You make sure tonton juga the whole thing. Sebab important part, selari, the parallel, vectors, lepas tu macam mana nak tambah guna connecting point, all that teacher dah start last week. So this week teacher akan just sambung. I'm going to continue only. Okay, so kita boleh continue. We continue with question 4. Soalan 4, alright? Okay, ini still penambahan and penolakan vektor. This is still addition and subtraction of vector. Okay, let's look at question 4, soalan 4. Okay, di sini, okay, berdasarkan vektor A, okay, this is vector A and vector B. Draw, lukis vector A tambah B. Okay, last week teacher got teach you all how to draw. Teacher dah ajar cara nak lukis, betul tak? Tengok initial point, see the initial point and the terminal point. Tengok point awal dan tengok point akhir. Okay, so macam mana nak tengok? Okay, teacher ulang balik. I repeat here. Okay, if you see here, A is going like this. Kan? A dia ni ialah starting ni point awal. This is the initial. Ini ialah akhir. This is the terminal. Okay. For the B is like this. Dia macam ni, betul tak? This is the awal, initial, and this is the terminal. Ni yang point akhir. Bukan point lah. Dia punya apa? Penghujung dia, right? Okay, so apa yang kita perlu buat? Kita kena sambungkan. We must connect the terminal and the initial. Kita kena sambungkan that part. We have to connect that part. So when you draw, bila lukis A kan, dia punya connection untuk B dekat sini. The B connection will be here. Alright, B connection will be here. Okay, before that, okay, can you all use your ruler, ambil pembaris, okay, boleh tak ukur berapa cm yang ni? Can you all measure how many cm is that? Yang A tu berapa cm? Ambil pembaris dan ukur. Kejap, kita punya pembaris. My pembaris. Okay, I think my pembaris is missing. Okay, can someone take your ruler, measure, let me know what is your A. A kita berapa cm. Lepas tu B kita berapa cm. Boleh tak? Okay. Sekejap Kenapa ni? Hold on 1 minute. This one is something wrong already. Wait Can you all see the Google and also like my screen and everything? Okay, wait. Because, hold on sekejap Teacher punya screen dah like bentuk lain. Okay. Can you see me? Okay. Can you all see me? Are you all still there? Masih di sana lagi? Okay, I think something went wrong just now. So sorry. Teacher minta maaf. Okay. I don't know why the thing suddenly went off. Okay. Now everything okay? Yubi, okay, can. Okay, thank you, Yubi. Okay, so we continue. Where was I just now? Okay, boleh Okay. Okay, thank you. Terima kasih. Okay, we were here. Yes. Okay. So, have y'all measured or not? Teacher was finding my ruler just now, then the whole thing went off kan tadi. Okay. So, dah measure tak berapa cm? Is it 2 cm ke berapa dekat situ? How many cm is that? Oh, I found my ruler. Okay, berapa cm is that? I think it's 2 cm. Okay, you measure this guna pembaris. Okay, guna pembaris. Kat sini 2 cm. Alright, and then measure ukur juga yang B tu. B tu 1 cm, betul tak? Okay, so sini 1 cm. Okay, so now kat sini pun bila lukis, when you draw, you must draw 2 cm. 2 cm. Okay, lepas tu yang, so ni 2 cm Yang B pun lukis 1 cm. So dekat mana vektor resultant dia? Resultant vector will be where? So resultant dia akan berlaku di sini. Ini ialah awal dan akhir, betul tak? How to see? Okay. I draw nicely this one. So make sure it's straight, use your ruler. Okay, kalau nampak, okay, student can see here. This is the awal for A, isn't it? And ini ialah akhir, this is the terminal for B. So the initial and terminal is where you do the connection. So you letak 2 anak panah, 2 arrows starting from the initial and it's going to terminal like that. So this is your vector A, plus B. A tambah B. Itulah vektor A tambah B. Okay, boleh? Can ah? Okay, for question B, okay, 2/3 A kan? Okay, 2/3 A is 2 cm, right? Okay, so you times with 2 cm first. We want to see how berapa panjang kita nak lukis. Okay, 2/3 darab 2, we get 4/3, tapi kita tukar kepada perpuluhan. So you get 1.33 cm. Okay, the B we darab dengan 1. Jadi 2 cm. Untuk B kena lukis 2 cm. So panjang sikit. It will be slightly longer. Okay, so when you draw A, you draw short a bit. Shorter a bit lah. Okay, 1.33. You use your ruler 1.33 lah, around there. Okay, B you draw lukis 2 cm. So dia panjang sikit. B tu 2 cm. Okay, lepas tu you lukis resultant vector. Vector resultant dekat sini. A to B. Okay. So this is, actually this is not A. This is 2/3A. 2/3A and this is 2B. Okay, so bila kita tambah, when we tambah, we write like this. 2/3A plus 2B. That's your resultant. Okay. Usually this one, soalan ni, they will give you in a graph paper. Dalam kertas graph. So from the kertas graph ni, we will lukis. But then since yang ni tak ada kertas graph, so kita just lukis guna pembaris ni. Okay. Boleh? Okay, next. Okay, this is how you draw vector. Seterusnya, alright. Kita pergi pada soalan 5, question 5. Okay, question 5. Okay, we must understand the diagram first. Okay, dalam gambar rajah, okay, PQR ialah segi 3. It's a triangle. S ialah titik tengah. Midpoint ialah titik tengah untuk PR. Okay. PQ dah diberi. PQ is given ready. So teacher can write here. PQ ialah 4A. Vektor 4A. SP also given. So SP diberi sebagai 3B. Okay, find the vector in terms of A dan B. Maksudnya you have to ungkapkan vektor dalam bentuk A atau B. Anything can. Both. Sometimes both also got. Okay. RS. Okay, first one, kita nak cari, we want to find RS. Okay, in this case, if you want to find RS, kalau nak cari RS, they got mentioned that S is the midpoint kan? S ialah tengah, titik tengah. So, if midpoint, here, okay, teacher do different color. Here and here will be same or not? Dia akan sama tak? SR, okay, will be sama dengan SP kan, yang ni. Okay, okay. So, kita punya, so far yang kita ada, what we have is SP, which is 3B, correct? So, SP must be same with, mestilah sama dengan RS, betul tak? Correct because they are like half and half what? Okay, so R to S pun akan jadi 3B. It's also going to be 3B. So we can straight away get the answer already for A. So RS adalah vektor 3B. Okay. So since yang ni dah boleh, so we can continue with B. Okay, the first one was quite easy kan? Senang. Okay, B kita nak cari SQ. Okay, S to Q. Okay, tengok teacher buat, I'm going to do a line here, S to Q. Okay, S go to Q Okay, now you want to find S to Q, kita guna connecting points. Last week teacher, we learn this, teacher ada ajar connecting point. Okay, macam mana nak buat connecting point macam ni? Okay, kamu tulis dulu, you write S dulu. Okay, lepas tu tambah Q dekat belakang. You write the S in front, you write the Q behind. Okay, after that, you go to your diagram. Pergi ke gambar rajah. Try to form a triangle. Cuba bentuk segitiga. Okay, daripada sini. Okay, S boleh pergi ke P, boleh pergi ke Q. Nampak segitiga? Can you see the triangle here? Okay, this is one triangle that you can form. Correct or not? So, SP, PQ. Kita boleh guna point P. Point P itulah connecting point. Point yang connecting between S dengan Q. Okay, itu ialah salah satu. One more yang kita boleh guna, one more that we can use, S pergi ke P, okay, kemudian, S pergi ke R, kemudian R pergi ke Q. Yang tu pun boleh juga kan? S go to R, and then R go to Q. Ni pun boleh. Boleh nampak lagi satu triangle? Teacher, kenapa kena tambah? Okay, kenapa kena tambah? Sebab, okay, kalau nampak kat sini kan, ni P dengan P kan? Okay, kalau teacher tambah macam ni, right, if I tambah, P dengan P tu sebenarnya boleh hapuskan. So, bila hapuskan, dapat balik apa? SQ, betul tak? You get back the SQ. So sebab tu kita kena buat tambah. Okay? Sebab kita nak yang tengah-tengah ni sama. So, bila kita tambah, yang ni sebenarnya kita boleh hapuskan. So, kita akan dapat SQ. Okay? So, sebab tu tambah. Jangan tolak. Memang you must use addition. Okay? Ni kita panggil, ni teacher punya, how to say ya? Like, I call this as find the connecting point. Cari point yang boleh kita buat macam satu segitiga. Kat sini nampak P tadi tu boleh buat segitiga. Correct or not? Okay, faham. Okay, very good. So, sekarang yang R pun kita ada lagi satu segitiga yang boleh dibentuk. We can use SR and then we can RQ. Kan? Boleh kan? Sebab kalau ni R dengan R dah boleh potong kan? We can cut the R and R. Bila potong dapat tak balik SQ? We dapat balik. Otak saya otak dah mula berfungsi. Okay, bagus. If that's the case, then bagus. Okay, so yang mana kita nak guna? Okay, you ada dua option. You got two option here. Okay, you see which one vector you have. Yang mana vector kita ada? Okay, check. SP ada tak? Do we have SP? Yes, kita ada. We got 3B. Okay, very good. PQ kita ada tak? Do we have PQ? Yes, we have. Okay, so just guna yang tu je lah. We use the first one. Kalau nak guna yang second one, boleh. You can use the second one. Okay, but you check. SR ada tak? Okay, do we have SR? Yes, we have SR. RQ got or not? RQ ada? Oh, belum ada lagi. We don't have. So, tak nak. The second one we don't use. Kita guna yang first one. We want to use the first one. So, SP is 3B. Okay. PQ ialah 4A. Vector 4A. And selalunya, the final answer, okay, ni tak boleh tambah. So, cannot plus kan? Sebab ini B, ini A. So, you cannot plus. So, the A you write in front, tulis dekat depan. B tulis belakang. You can ask, kenapa teacher? Sebab just nak jadikan jawapan dia cantik. You just want to make the answer look nice. But if you leave your answer until here, this is also betul. Correct juga. Cuma in SPM, the markah, the schema markah, okay, the marking scheme, answer will be like this. They will susun, they will arrange nicely. Okay, susunan dia cantik. So, tapi kalau student kat sini pun tak apa, still betul. Okay, next one Okay, so far I think boleh faham, can understand Okay. C, sekarang kita buat C pula. We're going to do C. We're going to find RQ. Okay, now, teacher want you all cuba, okay, RQ, guna method connecting point. Teacher, kenapa yang tadi kena potong? Teacher, kenapa yang tadi kena potong yang warna biru tu? Oh, warna biru because SR, okay. Teacher kan bagi dua option dekat sini. I give dua pilihan kan? Okay, pilihan pertama kita boleh buat yang ni. We can do SP, PQ. Pilihan kedua boleh buat SR, RQ. Okay, tapi SR ada nilai tak? SR, yes, ada nilai. Betul tak? RQ ada nilai tak? Do we have RQ ada tak? Tak ada. So kalau tak ada, tak payah gunalah sebab susah-susah nak cari. We don't have to, don't have to go and find. So sebab tu teacher tak guna yang second one. Teacher potong. Teacher guna yang first one. SPPQ. Sebab SP ada nilai, got value. PQ also got value. So senang. Kita guna yang senang sebab tu. We use the easy one. Okay. Can? Faham? Okay, if can, okay. Siapa yang, whoever already trying, boleh try tak? C. Guna cara yang sama. Guna cara yang sama. Use the same way. Find a connecting point. Cari point yang boleh kita form satu triangle. A triangle. You can form a triangle. And then you try first. Give teacher the answer. What you get. Saya faham. Thank you. You're most welcome. Sama-sama. Okay, you try dulu. Bagi tahu teacher what connecting point you all use. Let me know the connecting point. Okay, Yovin got 4A plus 6B. Okay, very good, correct, Yovin? Okay, Yovin, which connecting point you use? Guna connecting point yang mana? Okay, of course, kena start daripada R. Lepas tu, Q kena letak dekat belakang. You must write at the back. Okay, which point Yovin guna? You use which point to do the connection? SR plus SQ, You will start with S, is it? Okay, why you will start with S? Any reason? Because, okay, if you will start with S, if you can understand the way, boleh, can, no problem. Tapi, like teacher want, because you follow teacher's way ni, sometimes in exam, dia boleh confusekan kita. So, selalu follow the soalan, ikut soalan. Kalau R start dengan R, kalau Q akhir dia ialah Q, you end dengan Q. Faham tak? You just follow the question. So if Yovin start dengan S, itu dah macam lain sikit kan? It's already different. Okay, so teacher guna R, teacher start dengan R. Okay, kalau macam ni dia senang nak faham. Okay, you start with R. Okay, this one I erase teacher padam ni. Okay, R starting kat sini kan? Teacher nak pergi kepada Q. I want to go to Q, correct? R to Q. So, teacher nak cari satu point that can form the triangle, betul tak? Okay, so I can use R to S, boleh? R to S. Lepas tu, S go to Q. Can or not? So, I use R to S, S to Q. What Yovin did is correct. Just that, I think like a bit terbalik already, correct? You just write the S dekat depan. Okay. So, this one, R to S, what is the value? Okay, R to S, nilai dia ialah 3B. Kan tadi dah cari, right? You already found what is RS. Okay, so I write here, 3B. Okay, what is SQ? Do we have SQ? Ada. Tadi question B, we found, dah cari SQ. Okay, so we copy that one. Tersalin yang tu. Okay, so we tambah. B dengan B can tambah, right? So you get 6B, 6B. So 4A plus 6B. Okay, answer sama, same as what Lowing gave is the same. Cuma the way untuk tulis, the writing way only teacher want to make sure you all understand. Okay. Okay, anything to ask so far? Ada apa-apa lagi nak tanya? Okay, if don't have, we can go to soalan seterusnya. Okay. Have you all copied? Dah copy down? Dah salin? Okay, we go to the next one. Okay, soalan 6. Question 6. Okay, if you look here, this diagram, okay, PQST is where? Now this one, PQST, okay, and PQRS, okay, is a parallelogram, maksudnya segi 4 selari. Okay, selari, right. PQ 9P, okay, inilah 9 Okay, because ramai student, a lot of students they get confused, they thought teacher write that as Q, but that is number 9. Ini ialah 9. Okay, 9P and PT is 6Q. Okay, here is Q. Correct this one. That one teacher wrote 6A, wrong already. Is 6Q. Betul kan dekat situ Your nota, you correct it. Okay, then determine the vector. Cari vector dalam bentuk P dan Q. Find the vector in terms of P and Q. Okay, let's start with first one. PS. Kita nak cari PS. Okay, cuba tengok. Try to look at the given diagram here. This is what we finding. P go to S. So we can use connecting point. Boleh guna connecting point. Which connecting point we want to ask? We want to use. Yang guna kaedah vektor tu, macam mana teacher? Saya pun dah lupa kaedah tu. Kaedah vektor. Vektor yang mana? Which vector? So far we use dua kaedah. We use one is connecting point. Okay, lagi satu, another one we will use ratio method. Method nisbah, kaedah nisbah. Tapi yang tu teacher belum ajar lagi. Like the next question or later we will see if got ratio question. Okay. If kaedah factor you can explain to teacher, then maybe kalau boleh jelaskan, then teacher can understand apa yang student tanya. Alright. Okay, this one PS Okay, which connecting point we use? Okay, start from P, lepas tu S dekat belakang, behind here. So we can use, okay, we try to form a triangle. P can go to T, lepas tu T boleh pergi ke S. Okay, ni salah satu yang kita boleh guna, one of it that we can use. Okay, ataupun we can also use ada student yang boleh yang suka guna the other way round, lagi satu, which is guna ni P ke Q, kiri Q, Q ke S. Ni pun boleh juga. This is also possible. Okay, but we must see yang mana ada nilai, which one got the value. Okay, P kepada T ada tak nilai? Got. T to S got the value or not? T to S got value. Who say got, who say don't have? Siapa yang beritahu teacher TS tu ada nilai atau tak diberi? What you all think? TS got value or don't have? I want to see what's your, because you have to be able to see the diagram. Mesti pandai tengok gambar rajah segi 4 selari. Okay, other. Okay, very good. You win. Other. Yes, other. Actually got because selari maksudnya up and down here will be same. Is parallel. So up here will be 9p. 9p juga. Yang ni, this one will be same with here. 6q. Okay. So parallel, student must know that up and down same, side and side same. Okay, atas bawah sama, tepi dan tepi dia akan jadi sama. Jadi, you can use the first one pun boleh guna, second one pun boleh guna. You can use both because both also you get the same answer. Dapat jawapan yang sama lah. Tapi pilih salah satu. Choose one only. Okay, PT ialah 6Q, isn't it? TS is 9P. So the final answer just susun balik. 9P tambah 6Q. Okay, so the second one teacher tak nak guna lah. I'm not going to use the second one. Okay. Next. B. Okay, upper bit, right. B. PR. Okay, PR what we can use? P ke R. Kita boleh guna. Okay, we start dengan P. Lepas tu, kita akhiri dengan R. Mula starting is P, you end it with R. Okay, then. Shivam. Hi, Shivam. Okay, you start with P. Then you end it with R. Okay, what is the connecting point that we can use? Apa yang kita boleh guna di sini? Okay, see ya. We want this P to R. Okay, so teacher boleh guna P ke Q, P go to Q. Lepas tu Q go to R. Correct or not? Can? So you can see a triangle there. Satu segitiga. Okay. P kepada Q, what is PQ? PQ is 9P. Okay, done. What is QR? Macam mana nak cari QR? How to find QR? What can we do? Actually, if you all realize, kalau student boleh nampak, QR is actually same with PS or not? QR dan PS sama tak? Because they are parallel. Okay, so QR sebenarnya sama dengan PS. So PS tadi dapat berapa? 9P tambah 6Q. Just now we got our PS. Okay, 9P plus 6Q, right? So that is actually your QR also. Because it's parallel, selari. Okay, so you just write that one here. 9P plus 6Q. So 9 tambah 9, 18. 18P plus 6Q. So this is your answer for PR. Okay, boleh? Okay, we are done this one. Okay, so far any question? Kalau tak ada soalan, teacher move on to the next yang seterusnya. Okay, because this is the basic. Ini semua ialah that basic that you need. Okay, bila soalan sebab ni memang akan keluar kertas 2. This will come out in paper 2. So you must be able to use the connecting point. Selalunya most of the time students like tend to forget to use connecting point. Selalu macam lupa nak guna. Okay, I'm going to go to the next. Okay, faham. Okay, thank you. Very good. Okay, next one. Okay, this one very easy. Our question, these questions. Where was it? Okay. Okay, let's start the first one. Okay, yang ni boleh buat dengan cepat. You can do very fast. Okay, 1/2. 1/2 tambah 2Q tambah 3P tambah Q. So we plus. The P and the P we plus. The Q and the Q we plus. So 1/2P plus with 3P. The Q, we plus with Q behind. Okay. So just use calculator lah. Okay, some all is very simple. So tambah with 3, we get 7 over 2P, 7 per 2. 2 tambah 1, 3. Yang ni 1 Selalunya always student think that is 0. Tapi itu bukan kosong. Tak boleh jadi kosong yang tu. Itu ialah 1. Okay, that's all. So this is the resultant. Okay, B, take the A plus with the A. So 2A, teacher plus with 1 over 2. 2 tambah 1 per 2. Okay, 5 per 2A. Then the 3 you plus with, the B you plus with the B. 3 tambah 1 per 3 is 10 over 3B. Okay, you should get this answer as well. Okay, dapat jawapan yang ni. Okay, next one. Okay, number 2. Solve the following. Okay, selesaikan. PQ sama dengan 5 per 2A. 5 over 2A. RS is 4A. Okay, they gave us the value, so you just ganti only. Dah beri nilai, ganti sahaja. Okay, A. PQ you just substitute. 5 over 2A. RS is 4A. If A dengan A, can tambah or not? Can. So, we tambah. Dapat 13 per 2. 13 over 2. Okay, B. 4PQ, kita ganti dulu. We substitute first the nilai. Okay, 5 over 2A. RS is 4A. Okay, here I get 10A. Ni darab 3 darab 4 will get 12A. So 10 plus 12, 22A. Okay, very easy, right? Tambah tolak. Okay, next one Seterusnya. Okay. Determine the resultant vector for each of the following. Okay, tentukan resultant, vector resultant untuk yang first one. A tambah B. A plus B. Okay, see A go here plus B. So A plus B, remember teacher taught you all initial, terminal. Okay. So this is the initial, ini ialah yang awal, ini ialah terminal, akhir. Kemudian this is initial, this is terminal. So you do the resultant, dia akan jadi daripada I ke T. You must do the line, garisan, kena start daripada I, kena N, akhir dia dekat T. So apakah garis ini? Ini ialah AC, vector AC. Okay, from A to C. Okay, another one more. Okay, C tambah D. C plus with D. Okay, this is the initial. Ini ialah awal. Ini ialah akhir. Okay, terminal. Then for the D, here is the initial. Here is the terminal. Awal dan akhir. So, initial must connect to terminal. Awal kena bersambung dengan yang akhir. So, ini adalah garis CE. C to E. Like that Jangan tulis EC. Don't write EC. Terbalik. You see the starting is where? C. The ending is where? E. So, C kepada E. Okay. Right, next one. Okay, AC tambah CD. AC tambah CD. Okay, look at this Okay, I erase this. Teacher padam yang ni. Okay, A kepada C, A to C, plus with C to D. So, ini initial, awal, akhir. Kat sini awal, sini akhir. So, you have to do the connection daripada awal ke akhir. Initial ke terminal. So, ini ialah garis AD. This is the line AD. Vector AD. Okay, boleh? Can or not? Anyone here tak faham? Okay. So kita boleh teruskan, we can continue. So today teacher want to finish all the penambahan and the penolakan. Okay, I'm going to finish everything. Penambahan and penolakan. Teacher, please repeat. Can teacher? Okay, teacher repeat one more time. Okay, one more time. Let's see untuk our friend. Okay, tak dapat. Okay, I repeat one more time. Okay, make it bigger so you can see. Okay, the first one. Okay, A. Okay, I couldn't catch it. Okay, no problem. Teacher will repeat for you one more time. Teacher. Yes, Yovi. Okay. Okay, let's repeat. First one. Okay, the first one yang pertama di sini ialah A tambah B, isn't it? Okay. So A is this one, right? A plus with the B. Okay. Whenever you are drawing that line, okay, there is a starting point. This is starting is known as initial. Okay, the ending ialah terminal. Okay, then for the B starting is here, initial, and here is terminal. Okay, once you identify, after dah kenal pasti yang itu, you must do the connection daripada initial ke terminal. You must connect from initial to terminal. This is the resultant. So the first answer is AC. The answer for resultant will be A ke C. Okay, this one can or not? First kita nak. Maybe teacher want to make sure that this one okay or not first. Okay, anyone else? Okay, if you feel that now the second time you understand better. Okay, so the first one, A tambah B, A plus B. You find the initial, terminal, initial, terminal. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to show the second one. Same as physics. Yes. Do you know that maths, okay, mathematics, not admaths lah. Admaths is another part of like maths, but the father or like the great grandfather of physics is maths. So physics, admaths all came from mathematics. So mathematics is like at the top. Ada di paling atas. Matematik lah yang paling macam kita panggil sebagai datuk. Lepas tu fizik, admaths, like that. Okay, so that's why you always see physics and maths, there's always relation. Ada selalu hubungan antara maths dengan fizik. Okay. Okay, next one. This is C plus D kan? Okay, C is here. Okay, this is initial. This is terminal. Betul? Okay, then the D is over here. This is initial. This is terminal. So, where will be the resultant? Di mana resultant? Kita sambungkan. From the initial, go to terminal. So, your answer here will be C to E. C kepada E. The resultant. Okay. Then the last one. Okay, yang last punya AC. AC, you draw the line. A kepada C, A to C. Then C to D. C to D is this one. Okay, so this is the initial point. This is the terminal. Okay, awal dan akhir. This is the initial. This is the terminal. So we must do the connection from initial to terminal. So you get AD. Dapat garis AD. Okay, can Okay. Now the next question teacher want you all to try. Okay, we're going to go to soalan seterusnya. Okay, B. Okay, this one. Okay, teacher give you all 2 minutes. 2 minit. Boleh cari dulu. Cari jawapan. You all find the answer first. Which vector is it? Macam just like just now one. Which vector is it? Okay, I give you all 2 minutes. 2 minutes. See carefully the arrows, the direction. Okay, give your 2 minutes. Okay, one more minute. Satu lagi minute. One more minute. Okay. NL, MK, LN, KM. Okay, let's check. Okay, anyone else got any other answer? Ada jawapan lain tak? Okay, Kirtana's answer. The third one is correct, Kirtana. The others all is mixed up. Yang lain semua is mixed up. Okay, we see Okay, the first one, KL plus KN. Okay, see here, careful. This is why teacher asked to see the direction. Okay, K to L, inilah initial, inilah terminal. Okay, this is the initial, terminal. Okay, then KN, isn't it? KN is going up here. So, initial, terminal. Okay, now, usually, what will happen? You will try to connect this to this, correct? Can or not? Boleh tak teacher nak hubungkan N to L? Cannot. Because this is terminal and terminal. Tak boleh. Terminal maksudnya yang akhir the point akhir. Akhir dengan akhir tak boleh connect. So, how? This is where I think previously, wait, I go back to our notes. Kejap. Teacher pergi kepada notes last week. I got teach, this one. Remember this? If you have, you see here, initial, terminal. Initial, terminal. So, terminal tak boleh sambung. Jadi, if cannot sambung means, what you must do? Excuse me. Create a line in the middle. Dekat tengah. You have to create satu garis in the middle. Because you cannot sambung T and T tak boleh sambung. Okay, so that's what we're going to do here. Therefore, here, okay, it's going to be like this. K to M. So, the first answer ialah KM. Okay, remember, T dengan T tak boleh sambung. You cannot connect the garis. Can understand this one? Boleh faham this part? The first answer? Okay. Next, second one Okay, ni teacher padam. I erase this. Okay, next one. NK. NK, okay, see. NK is coming down. Turun ke bawah. So, you put the arrow coming down. Okay. NK, that means ini ialah initial, ini ialah terminal. So that is the awal, akhir. Okay. NM. NM is going like this. So ini ialah initial, ini ialah terminal. So boleh tak teacher sambungkan? Can I connect T and T like that? Cannot. So if you cannot sambung, you cannot continue that you know, the garis. So you take in the middle. So it's going to be N to L. Not LN. You must start from initial and you must go to terminal. Yes. N to L. Okay, faham? Okay, next one. Okay, let's check this. MN. MN. So MN is terbalik now. Put the arrow to the other side. Arah dia letak ke bertentangan. And then plus LM. Oh, LM is going like this. Up. Okay, so you label initial. Okay, sini initial, ini terminal. Here initial, here terminal. Yes, so can see or not? Initial, terminal. Boleh do the connection? Boleh. You can connect daripada awal ke akhir. So, ini ialah LN. Okay? LN. Okay. Seterusnya, the last one. Okay, we see this one. LK, isn't it? Okay, L kepada K. Is terbalik. So, inilah initial, inilah terminal. That's the awal and the akhir. Tambah with LM. LM is going up. Okay, inilah awal, inilah akhir. So, T dengan T boleh tak? The akhir and akhir boleh buat connection? Tak boleh. So, you must draw a line in the middle. So, this is also, yes, LN. Ini pun LN juga. Boleh? Can faham? This one, this basics and cara nak cari the terminal and all is important. Okay, this one is important. Okay, ada apa-apa nak tanya so far? Got anything to ask? Okay, faham, Yowin faham? Can understand? Okay. So, shall we go to the next question, number 4? Okay, number 4. Express. Express means ungkapkan. Okay, express means you must ungkapkan the vector in terms of A and B dalam bentuk A dan B. Okay, this is a triangle. O, A, B. M ialah titik tengah. Midpoint maksudnya it means titik tengah. Okay, of OB. OA diberi already, is given already. OB is also given. Okay, find AB. Okay, AB, what shall we use? Want to use, okay, A to B sini. Want to use connecting point? Boleh guna point untuk triangle? Boleh kan? Okay. So, kita tulis dulu. A, we write first A, and then we write B behind. So, there's only one connecting point kan? Ada satu saja point di sana, iaitu O lah. Okay, so we can use AO and then OB. Okay, AO, OB. Alright, so now, do we know what is AO? Kita tahu AO tak? Okay, kita tahu OA ialah A, correct or not? OA is A. So, if AO terbalik means is negative A. Okay, so here kita boleh tulis negative A. OB kita tahu? Yes, OB is B. So, we just write B. Okay, finish. The first one done. Okay, next one. Okay, A to M. Kita nak cari A kepada M. Okay, A to M is what? Here, I draw the line first. lukis line dulu AM sini. Okay, so kita start the connecting point juga. We use connecting point also. Okay, A and then we put M behind. Okay, what can we use? We can use AO again. Okay, AO boleh. And we can use O to M. Alright. AO, do we know what is AO? Yes, kita tahu negative A. OM, how to find OM? Okay, the whole thing is B, isn't it? Kesemuanya O sampai B ialah ialah B, betul tak? So they say M is the midpoint. So separuh daripada B ialah apa? What is half of B? Half of B. Separuh daripada B ialah 1/2 B. Okay, so OM is 1/2, half of B. So this is your answer for A and B. Okay, can? This is just half. So half means usually you bahagi 2, right? Ataupun kalau tak nak bahagi 2, you boleh darab 1/2. If you don't want to divide by 2, you can always times by 1/2. These are the two ways to make it into half. Nak jadikan dia separuh. Okay, done. Okay, we have one more here, B. Okay, teacher scroll down. Okay, B. Okay, let's look at B. Okay, in triangle, dalam segitiga AOAB, M is the midpoint. Okay, M ialah titik tengah untuk AB. P lies B/2. You can write B/2 pun boleh. No problem. No problem. You can write B/2 also. Okay. So, okay, see this one. Okay. P lies on OM. Okay, P berada di garisan OM such that, okay, OP sebenarnya ada vektor, there's a vector. OP sama dengan 3 PM. Okay, whenever you see like this is actually ratio form already. Okay, dalam bentuk nisbah. So what you do, bring the PM, okay, bring the PM go down here like that. Okay, so OP you write up, PM you tulis dekat bawah. OP ialah 3, PM ialah apa? What number should be down here? I got teach this in chapter 7, coordinate geometry. Teacher ada ajar dalam bab 7, coordinate geometry. Selalu kalau nampak dalam bentuk macam ni, I ask you all to do the rainbow form. The number, this 3 number belongs to OP. So kat sini ialah nombor 1, right? This 1 belongs to PM. So down here is actually 1. Remember ratio rainbow or not? Bentuk pelangi. This is bab 7. The first, later you all, those who haven't joined like last time teacher's class, yang tak join, go back and see the first part, chapter 7, first part. The beginning itself, teacher taught about this already. Awal-awal teacher dah ajar yang ni. Okay. So, for now, you know the ratio. Okay. OA ialah A. OB is B. Okay, first question. Find OM. Kita nak cari OM. Okay, what can we do to find OM? Okay, let's see. Teacher draw the straight line here, OM. Okay, we use connecting point. Kita nak guna point yang boleh bentuk segitiga. Okay, so O. And then, okay, O pergi ke A. O go to A. And then A go to M. Okay. So O to A, do we have? Ada tak OA? Ada. Vector A. There's a vector A. AM we have or not? AM we don't have. But we know that M is the midpoint. Titik tengah. Correct. M is the midpoint. So what can we do? What can we do? AB. AM is half of AB, right? Separuh daripada AB, correct or not? AM. So kita cari dulu AB. What is AB? So we have to do some side working here first. A to B. We find first. Okay, so we use A. Okay, let's start daripada A. We go to O. A to O, then O to B. Okay, we find first A to O. Okay, A to O is terbalik, isn't it? That is like going the reverse way, right? So negative A. OB is B. Okay, this is AB. So AB teacher found already. So you gantikan ke dalam, you substitute into the AB. Okay, so teacher do here. Wait, I use different color. Okay, so A plus 1 over 2 AB. AB, I'm going to copy this because I already found, right? Kita dah cari. So negative A tambah B. Okay, faham? Okay, A. Sini kita darab masuk, we kembangkan. So negative 1/2 A. Then 1 over 2, here will be 1/2 B. Okay, then you buka kurungan, you open up the bracket. It will be tolak. Okay, then will be tambah. So the A we selesaikan first. 1 minus 1 over 2, we get 1 over 2 A plus 1 over 2 B. So inilah jawapan untuk OM, for OM. Okay, boleh? Can understand? Okay, can teacher, boleh ya? Okay. We continue the second one. The question asks for. Okay, are you all okay if teacher take extra time today? Teacher ambil masa sikit sebab teacher want to finish until if can I want to finish until 7 lah. Okay. But if it's already more than 10 o'clock, then teacher stop. Okay. Okay. Second one kita buat OP. Kita nak cari OP. Okay, so I make it smaller. Okay. OP, okay, I do here lah. Here, sini. OP. Okay, nak cari OP. We want to find OP. Okay, what can we do for OP? Okay, look. I erase this. Okay, O to P. So, if you realize from your question, they give you ratio, correct or not? They give us ratio, isn't it? Okay, so what you can do is use your ratio. This is where ratio method comes in. Okay, wait, let me, I think I use this space. I draw here. Wait, 1 minute. Teacher draw this here. So that easier for me to show. Okay, sini O, this is B. Okay, OB. Then here is A. Okay, then we have M here. Okay, this is P, right? Alright. Ini vector A, ini vector B. Okay, now the question, there's now teacher already write for you all the, what was that? The ratio, correct? This is 3, this is 1. Okay, now you want to find OP. Usually, now we're going to use ratio method. Okay, kita nak guna kaedah nisbah. This is the second method that you all must take note. Because to solve vector, You only need to know these two method. Perlu tahu dua method ni sahaja. Ratio and just now the connecting point. Okay, these two only. Okay, see which one we want to find, yang mana kita nak cari? OP, isn't it? Okay, so the OP you tulis dekat atas. OP you write at the top. Okay, what is the full line? Apakah nama, what is the name for the full line? Not name lah. From which letter to which letter is the full line? Garis penuh dia berapa? OM kan? Isn't it? The garis penuh. You see the full line. Here to here. OM, isn't it? So, full line you write at the bottom. Tulis dekat bawah. Okay, Can? Following so far? Okay, then you write the ratio. Ratio dia, nisbah dia tulis di sebelah kanan. Okay, the ratio is, here usually got the arrow, because that's vector. Okay, this is 3. And what is OM ratio? OP, the ratio is 3. PM is 1. Nisbah OP ialah 3. Nisbah PM ialah 1. Jadi keseluruhan akan jadi apa? 4 kan? The whole thing will be 4. Correct or not? Okay, this part teacher want you all to follow very, very closely. Don't get distracted with your phone or with anything. See carefully because this is very important. Okay? So you can write here OP 3, OM is 4. Okay? OP ialah 3, OM ialah 4. Okay, after that, what you do? You bring OM go to the other side. Darab silang. You times to the other side. Okay, so OP equals to 3/4 OM. Dia akan jadi macam ni. OP sama dengan 3/4 OM. So what is OM? Do we know OM? Tadi dah cari kan? OM, just now we found already. Question 1. Question 1. Copy that answer. This answer, right? OM. Copy this answer here. You just ganti only inside here. Make it smaller. Wait. Okay, so OP is 3/4 and then you times with just now the OM. 1/2A, right? 1/2A tambah with 1/2B. Then you selesaikan, you solve, you multiply and expand. So you'll get the OP. 3/4 times 1/2 is 3/8. A plus 3/8 B. Boleh? So this is the nisbah method that teacher want you all to take note. I make smaller. This is the ratio method teacher wanted you all to take note. Easy, right? Senang kan? Bukan susah pun, correct or not? Just that must know how to use only. Perlu tahu cara nak guna. Okay, I give you all a minute to copy down. Okay, then we can do the last question, number 3. Okay, number 3, they have asked us for AP. Alright, kita nak cari AP. Okay, A to P ialah daripada sini ke sini. Okay, A to P. So this one can use connecting point. Okay, tengoklah yang mana boleh bentuk segitiga. Which one can form the triangle? Okay, so here I think I'm going to use AO, teacher guna AO, OP. Alright, sebab AO we have. Kita ada kan? OP pun kita ada. OP also we got. Alright, so AO you just copy down. Negative A. OP just now we got this answer already. You just copy down. Salin je balik. 3/8 tambah 3/8B. Oh, by the way, tengok soalan dia macam like you have to take the answer from the previous one, right? Kena ambil jawapan daripada yang sebelum. In exam also is like that. A, they will ask you to find. Then when B, you must use your answer from A. So that's why you must get A correct. Kalau A dah salah, then B pun akan jadi salah. Okay, yang ni pertama dapat negatif 5/8A plus with 3/8B. So this is AP. Okay, settle. Okay, last one. Teacher show number 5 lah. Okay, number 5. Yang last teacher tunjuk nombor 5. After that, most probably 6 and 7 teacher want you all to try and do. So that next class, I straight give you all the answer. Okay, shall I scroll? I can scroll down to question 5. Soalan 5. Alright, this is soalan 5. Okay, ready ya? Okay. Dalam rajah, in this diagram, ABCD is a parallelogram. Segi empat selari. Okay. Whenever you know it's selari, so you must know that up here and down here is the same, sama. Yang tepi di sini pun akan jadi sama like that, right? Okay, AB ialah 12A. So up here is 12A. So down also will be 12A, isn't it? Okay. BC ialah 9B. That means sini pun 9B. M lies on AD. Okay, M berada pada garis AD such that, what is this? Can see what here? Nisbah. Can you see the ratio? Okay, this is in bentuk lambda. So what you do? Okay, you bring the AD go down here. Bawa AD turun ke bawah. So AM ialah 2 and AD ialah 3. So the ratio for AM is 2. The ratio for AD is 3. So at least you know that already. Okay? Okay, first question. Express. Okay, express what is this? DM. Express DM. So kita nak ungkapkan DM. Okay, DM ialah yang ini. D ke M. Okay, DM kita boleh guna apa? What can we use for DM? What can we use for DM? You want to use connecting point or you want to use ratio method? Teacher want you all to think and tell me. Fikir dulu. Think. See whether it's connecting point or can use ratio or not. Think. Fikir. Now is the time for you all to apply apa yang dah belajar. What we learn, you must apply it now. So, if you all can get it correctly, I'll be very happy. That means you all understood what the teacher has been teaching. But if still tak dapat means it's okay. I can still guide you all. Okay, Yowin says ratio. Okay, ratio method. Okay, who else? Come on, let's see what your other friends. If wrong, it's okay. Kalau salah, tak apa. Because this is where you are learning. Okay, how about Hui, Girtana, and then who else just now was also watching live? Ratio is what Yowin says. Yowin beritahu nak guna kaedah nisbah. How about the rest of you? Okay, sure Yowin got a reason why he choose ratio. How about the rest? Tak ada cara nak guna? You don't want to use any of the same. Okay, Hui also ratio. Okay. But when you decided to use ratio, you must know why. Kena tahu kenapa. Okay, if you see here, okay, you are finding DM, isn't it? Okay, DM. Okay, kita nak also ratio. Okay. Yes, all of y'all are correct. We can use ratio because AM, the ratio ialah 2, betul tak? AD, A to D means the whole thing. The whole thing is 3. So what is DM? How much is DM? 1, isn't it? Ratio is 1, right? So like just now teacher taught you all. Okay, the first one I do here, DM, right? So DM, at the bottom what you must write? Kena tulis apa? Write the whole thing. Tulis the garis penuh. What is the garis penuh? Garis penuh ialah DA, correct? The whole thing, right? D to A, Okay, so DM, the ratio is 1, 1. DA, the ratio is 3. So you darab silang, you cross multiply. Okay, so DM is equal to 1/3 of DA. 1/3 darab DA. So what is DA? What is DA? We know what DA. Correct or not? We know what is DA because here B to C, right? B to C, that means it's this way, going down. B to C is 9B, 9B. Jadi A kepada D, A to D pun 9B, isn't it? But we want DA. So AD ialah 9B. So kalau DA terbalik, negative 9B. Faham? You all understand? You terbalikkan the thing. Okay, so you just ganti your DA lah, negative 9. So 1/3 times negative 9B. So here you cut. So your DM is negative 3B. Dah dapat jawapan. So very good. You all know that must use ratio method. Kaedah nisbah. Ratio method. Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, second one Yang kedua pula, kita nak cari MC. We want to find M to C. Okay, so I go to the diagram. Saya pergi ke diagram, gambar raja. Okay, I am finding, I'm going to erase this. Okay, I am finding M to C. Teacher nak cari M kepada C here. Okay, this part. So, you want to use ratio or you want to use connecting point? Fikir dulu. What you want to use? Kita nak guna ratio, kaedah nisbah atau connecting point? Yang mana? Which will be more easier for us here? Ratio or connecting? Oh, you all are copying, is it? Okay. Who in connecting point? CI? Connecting, is it? Okay. Connecting point also. Okay, very good. So we use the connecting point. We start from M. Lepas tu C dekat belakang, C at the back. So I would prefer to go here. M to D, then D to C, So we use MD, DC. Okay, MD we have or not? Yes. We can use this. Just now we found already what? Okay. So MD means terbalik, right? It's the reverse. So 3B. Okay. 3B. DC is 12A. Oh, very fast get the answer already. Okay, this is the answer lah. Ni jawapan dia. Tak boleh tambah, so biarkan sahaja. And the last one. Okay, the last one, we want to find BD. Isn't it? We want to find BD. Okay, BD is what? We use connecting point also. Okay, kita guna connecting point juga. Jadi kita guna B to D ya. Okay, here. So I'm going to use BC plus CD. Okay, BC tambah CD. BC tambah CD. Okay, BC ialah 9B, 9B. CD is terbalik the thing, so it's negative 12A. So therefore, the A tulis dekat depan, B tulis dekat belakang. Get also already. Okay, this one was very easy also. Okay, now B, question B, last one. Okay, this one also please pay attention. The last question, express, this one very popular. Okay, paper 2, soalan ni is popular. I think your trial paper also you would have seen this. Okay, I don't know how this one came out or not, your trial. Okay, B. Okay, if CN, take note. This is the part you have to take note. CN is equals to KCM. DN is equals to MDB. MDB sounds like our Malaysians MDB, right? Okay. Then BN, we need to express. Kita nak ungkapkan. Okay, we're going to ungkapkan BN. With all that's going on now, okay, I hope YouTube doesn't detect that I'm saying something wrong here. Okay, BN in terms of K, A and B. Okay, kita nak ungkapkan dalam bentuk K, A dan B. So you want to use K ya. So K means you have to use this. Kena guna yang itu. Alright. So we start off like this. Kita start macam ni dulu. Okay, BN. Okay, we try to create, okay, kita cuba create satu connecting point. We using this CN. Okay, where can teacher put the C? Teacher can put here, isn't it? CN. Okay, you need to create like that. You kena guna macam tu. So sini pun must be C lah, perlu C juga. Alright? Okay, so BC ialah apa? What is BC? Okay, go to your diagram. BC is 9B kan? 9B. So teacher tulis sini 9B. What is CN? CN is this. So you copy your CN lah. CN kan yang ni. Okay, so K CM. What is CM? Kita ada tak CM? Ada. From just now, from question 1, we got find MC. So we just terbalikkan only. We reverse the CM only. Okay. So CM just now, I make it smaller lah. Okay. CM just now was, what was the answer? 12A. Okay. See MC tadi jawapan for MC. Oh, here got, sorry. MC was this, right? Now teacher need to terbalikkan. I need to reverse it. So when you reverse, it will look like this. Negative 12A, negative 12A tambah, not tambah. Tolak 3B. So you kembangkan everything. Kembang. So 9B tolak 12KA tolak with 3KB. Okay, the B and the B you put together. So negative 12KA, okay, plus, you factorkan the B. So 9 you write in front, minus 3K you write for the B. So this is your BN. Okay, this is your BN. Okay, so you do what? Your answer must have, you see your answer must have K, must have A and B. Jawapan kita mesti ada K, mesti ada A dan B. So everything got right? Settle. Okay. Okay, the last one, the second one. We going to express BN also. Kita nak ungkapkan BN tapi perlu ada huruf M. So you must have huruf M means we're going to use like this. Okay, B and then N, isn't it? You create the point, this one first, So kita nak yang ni ada DN. Di sini ada DN, there got DN. So we use B, we put the D here. So here will be BD. Okay? So BD adalah apa? What is BD? BD got or not? Yes, just now third question. Here got BD ya. So teacher copy this. Okay, teacher salin yang ni, negatif 12A tambah 9B. What is DN? Copy the DN. This is DN, right? MDB. Wow, everything is so similar to everything that's going on in Malaysia. Okay, MDB, I just copy this. MDB. Okay, it's so weird. We have BN, we have MDB. Okay, so DB ialah apa? What is DB? Do we can take from where DB? D to B. It's just terbalik. Sorry. Yalah. DN is DB again. So that means, copy again from here, right? Okay, negative 12A plus 9B. And then DB, I'm going to take this one again. Teacher ambil yang jawapan tu tadi, but I terbalikkan. I reverse it. So it's 12A minus 9B. Tolak 9B. Teacher terbalikkan because itu ialah BD. Tapi sekarang teacher nak DB. Terbalik. Okay, so this one you kembangkan, you expand. So negative 12A plus 9B plus 12MA minus 9MB. Okay, the A and the A you put together, letak bersama-sama. Jadi yang ni, teacher is going to take here negative 12 plus 12M. Okay, kemudian yang B dengan B letak bersama-sama, put together. 9 minus 9M. Okay, yang ni dengan yang ni, this 9 and the negative 9, put together. So this is your final answer, jawapan terakhir. Okay, how? Clear or not? Like, do you feel after this you can answer this kind of question? Boleh jawab soalan sebegini? If you say can, I'll be very happy. But if you, okay, give me a percentage. Like, or not percentage, from 1 to 10. 1 hingga 10. What is the scale you feel that you understand and boleh jawab? After this, like this question, you boleh jawab. 1 to 10. 10 means you faham very much. 1 means is too low lah. Okay. You always say, okay, can teacher? Give teacher your rate like 1 hingga 10, Yowi. What do you think? Satu hingga 10, 1 to 10. Nine over 10. Oh, very good, very good. 9 over 10. That's good. But you see, the moment now you study already, right? Okay, go and immediately try any trial question paper or, so that you don't forget. Don't go more than 2 days. Jangan pergi lebih daripada 2 hari. You must, the next 2 days you must do revision for this. Okay? 5. Okay, Giftana, why 5? 7 to 8, I need more practice. We'll rewatch again and revise. Okay, you all practice questions 6 and 7. Please try 6 and 7. Next class, I will discuss this. Teacher akan bincang ini. Please try 6 and 7. If you can get 6 and 7 correct, that means you are actually in the 9 and 10. Okay? Okay, I think you actually can. You boleh. Okay? It's just that most probably you, what is that? You feel that it's hard, but actually when you do the practice, you sure can. Okay, mesti boleh. Okay, so we end until here. Teacher will see you all next week for Form 4. Yang Form 5, hari Khamis. Okay, hari Khamis teacher will see you all. So, happy schooling. Okay, stay safe. Do your AdMaths every day. Setiap hari practice AdMaths. Alright? Okay. Good night. Selamat malam. Do take care. Bye bye.